In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and customize your website using Squarespace, an incredibly versatile platform for building a professional online presence. Whether you're a small business owner, a blogger, or just someone looking to create a stunning personal website, Squarespace has a variety of tools and features that can assist you in crafting the perfect site. Let's dive in and explore these features together, ensuring you have a comprehensive understanding of how to make your website truly reflect your style and vision. First, you'll want to head over to the Squarespace website. Upon reaching the homepage, if you haven't already, you'll want to log into your account to access your dashboard where all the magic begins. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard's layout. It's the central hub where you can manage all aspects of your site, from editing pages to analyzing your website's performance and beyond. Now let's focus on your website's design by navigating to the Website section in the menu. Here, you'll want to click on Pages. This section is crucial as it holds the framework of your site, showing all existing pages like your home page, about page, contact page, and any other pages you've chosen to create. Think of this area as the blueprint of your site, laying out the sequence and structure of its contents. Adding and rearranging pages here is as simple as dragging and dropping, which is perfect for reordering or structuring your site to better suit your needs. From the Pages section, you'll want to delve into Site Styles, which is where you can really start customizing the look and aesthetic of your site. The Site Styles feature offers a vast array of options for styling your web page. Here you have the opportunity to browse through themes, providing you with a range of pre-designed styles that can instantly transform the look of your website. These themes are fully customizable, ensuring your site can uniquely represent your brand's personality. Diving deeper, you have access to an array of fonts and colors, which open up the avenue for personalizing text appearance and setting the mood of your website. This is where you can truly get creative. Consider experimenting with different font combinations and vibrant color schemes until you find one that captures the essence of what you want your site to convey. Moreover, the buttons, forms, and additional design elements available in the site styles will allow you to tailor functionality, making your site not only visually appealing but also user-friendly. And that's it. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully navigated the essentials of setting up your Squarespace site. Remember, the key is to explore and experiment with the various options available. Take your time and let your creativity flow, ensuring your site not only looks fantastic, but also provides an effortless and engaging experience for your visitors. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.